No bullshit $1,200 PC build. You can see the whole PC in 3D at buildcores.com. You start with the H5 Flow from NZXT. Pretty good case, it's only $60 on sale. The next one's the 7700X, 8 cores. You probably don't want to go lower for a $1,200 PC in 2025. The motherboard's AM5, so it lets you support 7000 series and also 9000 series CPUs. You can upgrade the CPU to a much better 9800X3D or even an AMD Zen 6 CPU in the future. So this is a pretty good motherboard for the price. The GPU, I picked the 9070, mainly because 16 gigabytes of RAM, it's going to be future-proof. You're going to be able to play games for years. And also because I don't like NVIDIA, so AMD's better. For the RAM, 6000 DDR5 CL30 is good for the 7700X we picked. Latency's low and gaming FPS will be high. I commented the build link below.